Hi, my name is Nilesh. So I have undergone a hair transplant surgery from New Roots, Nagpur. I have undergone that hair transplant surgery on 13th of October. So in the initial day, from the last 2 years, I have been facing severe hair fall issues. One of my friends had recommended me New Roots hair clinics, and by looking at his results, I was very excited for my hair transplant surgery. So it's been a very good journey as of now. It's been 5 months since my transplant, and I've been taking medicines as prescribed by the doctor. And it's safe to say that I'm happy with my results, and also the doctors are very good, the staff is very good, and I'm very happy that I had chosen New Roots as a clinic for my transplant journey. And I would personally recommend everyone who wants to undergo the surgery, they can opt for New Roots clinic. Thank you.